Hello everyone, good day. In today's video I will show you what apps or applications I use in my Windows PC. I use several apps. Some are very frequent I use, some are rarely I use. I will show you all of that. Okay, this is a quick view video. Maybe in future I will do a in-depth video regarding the apps I use. So let's go to control panel. Here are the programs. Let's click on here. Let's see the icons little bit. The icons, large icons. So these are the apps I currently installed on my PC. You can see many of them or may use. I will just say the application and the purpose. Okay, first one is 7-zip. This is the default compressor I use for zipping and unzipping files or folders. Okay, this is 7-zip open source. Before that, all the things I here use is open source or free. Okay, maybe some of them have pro versions available, but I am happy with the free version. Okay, this is 7-zip. This one is AMD. My processor is AMD, so by default their application is here. And I installed a folder locker, but I don't actually use. I don't know. And this is a folder locker. I do not use this one. Maybe I installed very old or many days before. I don't know this one. Okay, then after this I do not regularly use this one, just installed AnyDesk. In sometimes I need to use it, most of the time I don't. And for writing Bangla, this is Avro keyboard. This is very popular among Bangladeshi peoples. This is very good one. Okay, then after that is Bitwarden. Currently I am using LastPass, but I want to switch to Bitwarden. I install it and I will migrate all things here. Okay, then CapCut. I do not use it regularly. I install just to learning purpose. I will learn it someday. Okay. CCleaner, and I do not regularly use this one or two. Sometimes to clean the browser caches and images. Cloudflare Wrap, Warp. Actually not Wrap, Warp. This is a kind of similar kind of a VPN tool. This may give you a initial security for your IPs and other things for your to keep from tracking your IP. Okay. Composer, I regularly use this one as when I use PHP. When I work in PHP or Laravel, I use it regularly. CoreTemp is a quick little software. You can see this one I use regularly to track my CPU temperature. Here currently it's 55 degrees centigrade. Okay, as you can see my processor is AMD Ryzen 3400G. It's a 4 core 8 thread processor. Okay, Deliver I recently installed to check this one too. I normally use PHPMyAdmin, or another one is HeyDSQL, or this is I installed to learn. Docker, currently I am learning Docker, so I day-to-day usage is Docker Desktop. I will do an in-depth video on this. Everything, my default search engine. Windows search engine sucks, so I use this one to do all the searching. It's very powerful. I will show you in some day. Flask, to reduce the blue light, and it will give you a soothing experience for your eyes. It's like night mode. You can see currently night light is on. Sometimes I use this one if I need extra. First on photo resizer. This is a photo resizer and compressor app I use. Free download manager, just like IDM, it has browser extension also. FX sound. I have a detailed video on this FX sound. I will link this one in this video. I use this one as my to boost my sound experience, as I am not using any DAC or anything like that. Git, I use Git and Git Bash day to day. My default browser is Google Chrome. Grammarly I use for checking my grammar. Greenshot to taking screenshot. I am currently do not using this. I am using this is what, let's check this one. So you can see by default Windows has this capability, so I do not use Greenshot as of now. I just press Windows Shift and S. Okay. HideSQL, another database browser. Hardware info to see the hardware information. Hyper, this is another terminal, but I use PowerShell and Git Bash. Okay, these are Java updates, as I have Java installed on my PC. These are the application for that one. This is Klite Codec Pack, comes with Pod Player. I will show you in future. Microsoft Edge installed here. Next is these are the things comes with Microsoft Office, and these are the things comes with Microsoft SQL Server. Okay, after that you can see all these things, and this is I use my default ID is Visual Studio Code. After that I have installed Mozilla Firefox, Node.js, this one if you are a developer. OBS Studio, I am recording this on OBS Studio. You can see here Obsidian is my default note taking app. I not use Paint frequently, but it is installed by default. My default photo viewer is Picasa 3. This is not currently continued by Google. I have installed it many years back, and I am still using this one. Okay, Postman, I use Postman for API testing. My default media player is Pod Player, DOM, DAUM, DOM Pod Player. I use PowerToys for many different things. I have installed Python for learning Python. My default torrent client is Qubit Torrent, and ShareX for creating GIFs and screenshots, etc. Snipping tool also installed here. You see that. Sublime Text, my secondary editor. I use TerraCopy for copying and cut. Then this is VMware Player for running VM. I'm currently using Kali Linux on that one, and this is WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux. Okay, so that's all for now. I will go through the apps. Maybe I will do a detailed video in future. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you in next one. Bye.